Okay.
Keep that displayed on screen and then let the essay take all the participants to the breakout room.
Okay. I request Chief Sanratam to send all the contestants except the first one to the breakout room. And also please send the Sergeant Tam, Toastmaster Sonu to along with them.
Yeah. Thank you. Zoom Master, can you please send contestant to breakout room along with Chief Judge?
I have invited all participants to join the breakout room. I can see all of them are in the breakout room now.
Along with the Sergeant Tam?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, Toastmaster Ishita, you can show, read the topic and then turn the page around and show us what is written. That will work.
According to the rules, it's not allowed to turn the topic or actually read out when I am introducing the contestant number one.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. May I remind all the members again present to kindly keep their audio on mute and stop their video throughout the meeting. Chief Judge, now can I start the contest? Chief Judge Toastmaster Gopal, can I begin the contest?
Yeah, you can.
Okay, great. I request Zoom Master to please spotlight contestant number one. Thank you, you've done that already. Now let us welcome contestant number one, Toastmaster Jay. May I request you to check your audio and video?
Audio video check.
Okay, great. You're audible and as well as visible.
Thank you.
Okay. Toastmaster Jay, what makes the grass on the other side greener? What makes the grass on the other side greener? Toastmaster Jay.
What makes the grass other side greener? Why should I think about it? Because the grass already in my area is greener than the other one. Example, when I am working in an office, I have a big team who are supporting me whenever I am leaving the office and they are working hard for me. So my grass is already enough green. Now, if I come back to the Toastmaster, my family, my Toastmaster family, here, whenever I need a support, there the Toastmaster Vinod Sharma, Toastmaster Hemant, lot of members are always ready to help me. So my grass is already green. I have to just enjoy it. Why should I take it? Only the one point. If you are thinking the other side grass is green, then I'm not ready with this point because I have to enjoy my life and in my life everything is fine. Why should I go? And I want to give the message to all of you. Why are you thinking about the others? You have to grow up yourself. Your competition is within you. You have to improve yourself. Your competition is yourself. If I have to see the grass, then I have to see the my grass. My each grass is enough green, or they need water, or they need the fertilizers, like the better feedbacks or the evaluation in the Toastmaster. Am I right or wrong? Thank you, and back to you. Table topic contest here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Jay. We will have 1 minute silence for the judges to mark their ballots. Timer, please let me know once 1 minute is over.
1 minute over.
Thank you, timer. I request the Zoom master to please select contestant number 2, Toastmaster Hina.
Yeah, I'm there, Rishita.
Thank you. And let's welcome contestant number 2, Toastmaster Hina. I request you to check your audio and video.
Am I audible properly?
Yes, yes, you're
Am
audible
I
as well as
visible too?
yes. Are you able to see the timer cards?
I can see the timer card.
Okay, great. Toastmaster, what makes the grass on the other side greener? What makes the grass on the other side greener? Toastmaster Hina.
Thank you. I'll start now. What makes the grass the other side greener? Well, of course, water. So I was not watering my grass for like 10 days, and then I saw my neighbor's grass and I was wondering, well, it was water. And that's what happens in our life too. If I am doing something and I find my friend actually excelling on the same thing, and I wonder, is she lucky? Has God given her some extra hands? What is it that makes her excel so much? Well, it's the hard work, the passion, the dedication, that burning fire in the belly, that burning desire, that makes the grass greener on the other side. And what we are used to as human beings, we actually tend to focus on what we don't have. Oh my God, my car is so small. Oh my God, she has a Mercedes. Oh my God, look at my dress. Wow, she's wearing a palazzo. We tend to limit ourselves from what we have. Rather, what you focus on expands. So start looking at what you have. Love what you have. Appreciate God's blessings to you, and the grass will sooner be greener on your side. If you try and focus on my hair is not good, hair will actually tend to be bad. So let's focus on, wow, I have long hair, and let me nourish it, let me oil this hair, and of course then your hair will be something that others will want to have. Grass is never greener on the other side. It's just our mindset. The design of our brain and our upbringing is all that needs to be changed. All what you need to do is start appreciating the grass that is in your garden. Start loving the flowers that you have. And soon, as I said earlier, grass will be greener on your side. Thank you, and over to you, contest chair.
Thank you, Toastmaster Hina. Now we'll have 1 minute silence for the judges to mark their ballots. Timer, please let me know once 1 minute is over.
One minute is over.
Thank you, timer. I request the Zoom master to please spotlight contestant number 3, Toastmaster Chandrasekhar. Great. Now let us welcome contestant number 2, Toastmaster Chandrasekhar, and I request you to check your audio and video.
Am I audible? Check, check. Is my video visible? Check, check.
Yes, yes, you're audible as well as visible. Are you able to see the timer cards?
Yes, I'm able to see the timer cards.
Okay, great. Toastmaster Chandrasekhar, what makes the grass on the other side greener? What makes the grass on the other side greener? Toastmaster Chandrasekhar.
The question isn't what makes the grass on the other side greener. The question is, why is the grass on the other side greener? Contest chair, fellow Toastmasters, and dear guest. We as a person always want so many things. We do like, I need these, I need that, I need this, and I need that. The list is never ending. And whenever we see that we don't have something, but if someone else is having that thing, we think that, oh no, this is a great thing, I need to have it. Whenever we see something that we want to achieve and we don't get it, but when we see someone else is achieving that thing really easy, we think that the grass is on their side. They have the green grass, which basically means they have the upper hand, or maybe sometimes they get the things easily. But the problem is not with the grass. The grass can be greener on your side as well, and the grass can be greener on their side as well. What you have to see is, what kind of grass do you want? What do you want in your life? How can you make the grass greener on your side? And the answer to that question is, you have to work for it. In my life, I have been through a lot time where I see that so many people are getting things really easily, and I was not able to get it. But then I realized that the problem is not with the grass, the problem was with me. And the day you will realize that the problem is with you, you will realize that you can have that green grass as well. I want to leave you with only one question. What is stopping you from getting that green grass? Contest chair.
Thank you, Toastmaster Chandrasekhar. We will now have 1 minute of silence for the judges to mark their ballots. Timer, please let me know once the 1 minute is over.
Okay, 1 minute is over.
Thank you, timer. I request the Zoom master to please spotlight contestant number 4, Toastmaster Swati. Great. Welcome, Toastmaster Swati, contestant number 4. I request you to check your audio and video.
Check audio, check video. Is it fine?
Yes. Are you able
Perfect.
to see the timer's cards?
Yes, I can see the timer card. If the timer can just move on with few other slides. Yes, green, yellow. Yeah, I'm able to see it.
Great. Toastmaster Swati, what makes the grass on the other side greener? What makes the grass on the other side greener? Toastmaster Swati, over to you.
Thank you so much, Contestia. What makes the grass on the other side greener? Now, let me just tell you, we as a human beings are never satisfied in our life. And this starts from the childhood itself. Now, look at me. As a child, we all want the gifts and we all want everything what our neighborhood kids have. Mama, please give me the toy. Mama, please give me that. Or Mama, I need that, I need that, I need the book, I need the book. Okay, so what's all this? It's always we want to possess something which others have. Or we always need something which others have. And via satisfaction is the key to happiness and is the key to success, I would say. And if each and everyone are satisfied with whatever we have, and we can make our life best, then nothing than that. Each and every one of us have different physical statistics. Few are tall, few are short, few are fat, few are thin. But we always feel, like for example, me, I'm short. I would always feel, wow, what a great height that guy has. 6 feet. But on the other hand, that person would be feeling, oh my God, she's so sweet. She's so cute. She can fit wherever she wants. Why I can't fit anywhere. Wherein, if I see a strong person, I would feel, wow, what a great personality he has. And on the other hand, that person might, why should I do this exercise on the daily basis? And why can't I be as lean as that person and fit in any place wherever I want? So this always happen, my friends. So we all need to be satisfied with whatever we are, and we all need to be best at it. And I would say imperfection is beauty, and we all are beautiful, and we all can succeed in our life, whatever we have. So grass is always greener on our side too. Over to you, Contestia.
Thank you, Toastmaster Swati. We will now have 1 minute of silence for the judges to mark their ballots. Timer, please let me know once the 1 minute is over.
Okay, go ahead.
Thank you, timer. I request the Zoom master to please spotlight contestant number 5, Toastmaster Abhishek. Great. Toastmaster Abhishek, contestant number 2, please check your audio and video.
So am I audible and visible?
Yes, you are. Please check if you're able to see the timer cards.
Yes, I can see white.
Okay.
White, green, and green. Yeah.
Okay. Toastmaster Abhishek, what makes the grass on the other side greener? What makes the grass on the other side greener? Toastmaster Abhishek, over to you.
Thank you, contestant, for the topic. So what makes the other side of the grass greener? If you think about it, we follow the path that is laid by the society and the way that everything is working. But every one of us has something special in us, something that makes us different. Our journey, our life is meant to find that something which meant most to us. Our journey, our life is to find the different something which is other side. If you look about your life, you can find there are several steps that you can take. First of all, you get birth. Then you do your schooling, where you learn everything on your life. Then you get specialized in something and then go ahead with it. In the school, you get exposure to everything that you can find something that always trigger you. And if you focus a lot on that, you get all the happiness and pleasure. There are few activities in life where when you do it, you get completely involved in it. You love the way you feel, the energy and enthusiasm. You get confident. I think this is the first thing. There are two things that makes the grass greener on the other side. First thing is your hobbies, your passion. And second thing would be the people you are around. When you have the people that support you, they pick you up when you're down. That is the most important thing. I think these two things, first of all, your passion, and second, the people around you, that makes the grass greener. Over to you, contestant.
Thank you, Toastmaster Abhishek. Now we will have 1 minute of silence for the judges to mark their ballots. Timer, please let me know once the 1 minute is over.
One minute is over.
Thank you, timer. I request the Zoom master to please spotlight contestant number 6, Toastmaster Hemant. Great. Number 2, Toastmaster Hemant, I request you to check the audio and video.
You guys hear me clear?
Yes. And
Can you see me?
Yes. Are you
I
able
can
to
see
see the
guys.
timer
Yes.
cards? Okay, great. Toastmaster Hemant, what makes the grass on the other side greener? What makes the grass on the other side greener? Toastmaster Hemant.
Good afternoon, everyone. I live in a joint family, 7 people in this 3 BHK flat. Sometimes we feel that living in a nuclear family would give us benefits like freedom of movement from one place to other. Every time I step out, my father is like, "Kahan ja rahe ho? Where are you going?" I am 37-year-old man. And when I step out of my home, I have to communicate to everyone where I am going. And my boy also takes hint from me, right? "Papa, where are you going? Today is Sunday, no office." Those who are staying in a nuclear family arrangement, they tell me, "Hemant, you are so lucky. You have your parents with you, you have your brother with you, your sister-in-law with you, and it is so nice that you guys can roam out and beyond can be taken care of." What really makes grass greener on the other side? I think it is the perspective that makes the grass look greener on the other side. As a human being, we are given this gift of intellectualism where we can use it and think about this greener and yellow pasture ourselves. Joint family, nuclear family have their own benefits. A field job, an office job have their own benefits. Being a teacher or being a IT professional have their own benefits. And of course, pros and cons. So what makes grass look greener on the other side is just perspective. If you maintain your perspective and if you're able to find out benefits of what it takes to be on greener side or yellow side, you will always feel that you are always living on the greener side. Over to you, Toastmaster.
Thank you, Toastmaster Hemant. Now you for the judges to mark their ballots. Timer, please let me know once the 1 minute is over.
Please go ahead. 1 minute is over.
Thank you, timer. I request the Zoom master to please spotlight contestant number 7, Toastmaster Pavel.
Hello, am I audible and visible?
Welcome, contestant number 7, Toastmaster Pavel. May I request you to check your audio and video?
Yes, am I visible? Am I audible?
Yes, you're visible, but can you increase your volume?
Am I audible now? Is it better?
It's better, but it's very faint.
Okay. Is it better now?
Yes, I hope it works.
Okay.
Great. Are you able to see the timer cards?
Something is wrong. Yes, I can see.
Pavel, just take 10 seconds more and you can check your audio. It's okay. Because it's not audible at all.
Is it audible now? Is it better?
Yeah,
Yes,
it is
yes,
clear right
yes.
now.
Great, yeah.
Okay. Toastmaster Pavel, what makes the grass on the other side greener? What makes the grass on the other side greener? Toastmaster Pavel.
Well, to be very honest, I do not agree with this quote. What makes the grass other side greener? Because if we look at our own lives, there are certain things which are beautiful. And if we keep on working on those things, what is there in our life, and stop comparing between what our neighbors or our colleagues or our friends have, then I think life will be a very good thing to be in. The main problem, I just keep telling people that imagine there is no greed, there is no hunger, there are no possessions. And if we all live in peace and harmony, life will be a beautiful place. We will enjoy life, we will enjoy companies, companions, friends, if we stop comparing. You may say that I am a dreamer, I'm dreaming, but I know there are people who would love to join me. So yes, grass is not always greener on the other side. We should always do some introspective and retrospective and move on with the things which we have and start making it better. Over to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Pavel. Now we will have 1 minute of silence for the judges to mark their ballots. Timer, please let me know once the 1 minute is over.
Okay, you can go ahead.
Thank you, timer. I request the Zoom master to please spotlight contestant number 8, Toastmaster Abhinav.
Hey, I don't see Abhinav here. Also, he was not in the breakout room.
So you mean to say he hasn't joined the meeting?
He hasn't joined the meeting.
Okay. Then in that case, we'll have 2 minutes more for judges to mark their final ballots.
Hey, hold on. I can see Toastmaster Abhinav is now joined.
Yeah, he was in breakout.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
he had just come along with SAA.
yeah, so
Okay,
my
okay,
bad.
okay. No worries,
My
no
bad.
worries.
Okay.
Okay. Is he in the main meeting room now?
Yeah,
Yes.
he just
Yeah, I
returned.
am here now.
Yeah,
Okay, great.
my bad. Sorry about it.
No issue.
Great. Sorry, hidden judges and all the people for the confusion. Okay. I request Toastmaster Abhinav, contestant number 8, to check your audio and video.
Can you hear me?
Yes. Great. Can you see the timer cards?
Not yet.
Zoom Master, can you put Toastmaster Abhinav onto Spotlight? Toastmaster Abhinav, can you see the timer cards?
Yes, I can see that.
Okay, great. Toastmaster Abhinav, what makes the grass on the other side greener? What makes the grass on the other side greener? Toastmaster Abhinav, over to you.
Can I take 10 seconds to think about? Chief contestant, judges, Toastmasters, and dear guests. Good afternoon. What makes things greener other side? I think we all of us felt this thinking, or something came in mind when I was studying in government school. I thought people are in private school are getting more exposure. They are learning from good teachers. So from my throughout till BTech, I was in government college. And after, in campus selection, I got selected in one of the MNC. In day-to-day activities, I felt that I'm not that much smart in comparison to other my team members. So I thought, why not join to private school? And I will also become smart. Then I joined Symbiosis for executive MBA. After joining there, after wasting more than 4 lakhs, I got to know that we feel that it is greener other side, but it is same in both sides. So I urge you all, don't waste your time or energy. Whatever you have, it's sufficient. Always feel that I am more than enough. I have more than enough. That's all from my side. Over to you, Chair.
Thank you, Toastmaster Abhinav. Now we will have the 3 minutes of silence for the judges to complete their ballot. Now please let me know once the 3 minutes are over. Also, Zoom Master, please confirm when the chief judges and the tally counters are sent to the breakout room.
Sure. I have requested the chief table topic chief judge and tally counter to join the breakout room.
Please confirm when they're give the confirmation that they're there in the breakout room.
I can see chief judge join, waiting for tally counters, both the tally counters.
Zoom Master, can you see the telecounter 1 and 2 in the breakout room? Because I can see the backup device in the main room.
I can see tally counter 1 join, but tally counter 2 yet to join. Yeah, both the tally counter and chief judge are in the room.
Yeah, 3 minutes are over.
Thank you, Zoom Master, and thank you, Timer, for letting me know. Now we will proceed with the participant interview and certificate presentation. Are you able to see my screen? Please, can anybody check?
Yes, yeah, we can see that.
Zoom Master, can you please spotlight contestant number 1, Jai Singh?
Thank you very much for this opportunity to participate in the table topic contest. Thank you.
Can I interrupt, and can I just first welcome you so that you can be...
Sure. Let's go in a formal way.
Yes. Thank you so much, Toastmaster Jay, for participating in the table topic contest. And here is your certificate of participation.
Thank you very much, contest chair. Thank you.
Zoom Master. Okay, here is your question.
Yeah, please.
So, that who inspires you the most and why?
DTM Vinod Sharma, DTM Hemant sir. They are the people who were always with me. Whenever I have a confusion, I just call or send a message, and within 3 minutes it clear. They are having thousands of words, still they reply on it. That type of enthusiasm I want to have in myself. Thank you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Jay. Zoom Master, can I request you to spotlight contestant number 2, Toastmaster Hina? Okay. Thank you, Toastmaster Hina, for participating in the table topic contest. Here is a certificate of participation.
Thank you.
Okay, so my question to you is, since you've reached the area level in contests, how do you feel participating in club? And I would like to know your opinion in virtual as well as offline. So what would you suggest?
Well, both are great. And of course, participating in club level, brings you to know more of your own colleagues who perform so well. Area contests and division contests are challenges that you work on, but at club level, you feel like you're a team, and you try to perform your best. So I think that's the best thing. And talking about the virtual and the physical, I have loved both. Virtual gives you an opportunity to bring in some more innovation, like the audio, puppy audio that I got today, or such sort of things that you can certainly play with. So yeah, I'm in for both.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Zoom Master, can you help me spotlight contestant number 3, Toastmaster Chandrasekhar?
Audible?
Yes. Thank you so much, contestant number 3, Toastmaster Chandrasekhar, for participating in the table topic contest. And here is your certificate of participation.
Thank you so much, contest chair.
Okay, so your interview question. I read your profile form, and I would like to know that since you've said that leaders inspire you the most, which particular leader inspires you and why?
Okay, which if I talk about one, so the one is Simon Sinek. I had read his 2 or 3 books. One is The Leaders Eat Last and Start with Why. So he always talk about we need to create more leaders in the world. Now, if you talk about someone I know in personal, so my mentor is my superheroes, and all Toastmasters are the superheroes, and especially Toastmaster Jay. So he inspires me a lot.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Toastmaster Chandrasekhar. Zoom Master, can you spotlight contestant number 4, Toastmaster Swati? Okay. Thank you so much, Toastmaster Swati, for participating in the table topics contest. And here is your certificate
Thank you,
of
Shita.
participation.
Thank you so much.
Okay. I would like to know that what is your biggest learning from 2020?
Biggest learning from 2020 is something like we need to know the essential life skills that are required on a day-to-day life, which we ignored it all through. Like for example, if the servant maid is not there, you've forgotten like how to wash the vessels or how to cook. But I think basic, instead of learning coding and everything, those are something which we learn professionally. But I think few household chores are also necessary to learn, that is cooking or cleaning the house or washing the vessels or cleaning the clothes. So that I think is the greatest learning of 2020, and 2020 has even taught us to stay positivity or be positive throughout.
Thank you. Zoom Master.
Thank you.
Let me spotlight contestant number 6, contestant number 5, Toastmaster Abhishek. Thank you so much, contestant number 5, Toastmaster Abhishek. And there has been an improvisation in the spelling. Hope you like it. And here is your certificate of participation. Okay. Your question is, what are you looking forward to in 2021? We're not actually able to hear you. No, not yet. You're on unmute, but I think the cords are not working.
Hello.
Yes.
Is it better?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Great.
Should I repeat the question?
Yeah.
What are you looking forward to in 2021?
Okay. So basically, 2020 has given me a lot of chance to work on myself, especially first of all regarding my technical skills, as well as the things that we need to do regularly. So as Swati has said, we mostly got touch with our regular day-to-day activities like cooking and all these things. Whereas in the lockdown, we had to do all these things, and that brings me more, life skills as well as in my professional life. In 2021, I mostly want to work on myself, on my communication skills, and about my managerial skills.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Moving on, Zoom Master, can you help me spotlight contestant number 6, Toastmaster Hemant? Great. Thank you so much, Toastmaster Hemant, for participating in the table topics contest. Here is a certificate of participation.
Thank you very much.
I would like to know, since you've said the grass is always greener and it's just about perspective, but since you share that example, nuclear or joint family, what are you wanting now?
It's a hybrid is what I want. The accessibility and the distance both at the same time is the, we have to meet the solution midway. Neither side is good.
Okay. Thank you so much for participating. Zoom Master, can you help me spotlight contestant number 7, Pavel?
Contestant 7 spotlighted.
I am unable to see his video.
You can see.
Okay. Now I can. Thank you. Thank you so much, Toastmaster Pavel, for participating in the table topics contest. And
Thank you.
we present to you your certificate of participation.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Okay. Since you're a new member and you have taken so much of courage to, actually participate in the contest, I would like to know your first experience of contest.
It is a wonderful experience. Now, to be very honest, I'm quite apprehensive about public speaking, but my heart pounds when I have to give a speech or deliver a talk in front of 30, 40, 50 people. So it is my first experience, and I'm heading on, from the front. So I'm really glad that I have mentors like Swati and President like Jay. And it is a wonderful experience, and thank you. And I'm proud to be a part of this club. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Pavel. I hope you soon take part in the other contests as well.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Moving forward, Zoom Master, can you help me please spotlight contestant number 8, Toastmaster Abhinav? Mr. Abhinav, for participating in the table topics contest, and here is your certificate of participation.
Thank you.
Okay, so I would like to know your favorite quote and why do you abide by it?
So my favorite quote is from one of the advertisement. And it is, जिंदगी है तो ख्वाब है तो मंजिलें हैं, मंजिलें है तो रास्ते हैं, रास्ते हैं तो मुश्किलें हैं, मुश्किलें है तो हौसला है तो विश्वास है, असली फाइटर हमेशा जीतता है. It is from Rotomac Fighter, I think. So this advertisement used to come when I was a child.
Great. Are you abiding by it?
Yes.
Do you actually follow it?
Yes. So when I was in college, I wrote in one paper and pasted in my wall.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for participating again.
Thank you.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, it was a fabulous contest and I thoroughly enjoyed being the table topics speech contest chair today. I hope you enjoyed the contest too. I would like to thank all the contestants and all the contest officials for an excellent job. Thank you so much. Over to you, Chief Sergeant at Arms.
Thank you, Contest Chair Ishita Sharma. I would like to take this opportunity to thank each and everyone, both the contest chair, chief judges, all the contestants, and all the role players who have helped to make this contest successful. With this, we are closing the contest, and I think we are ready to declare the result. So just give me a moment. Contest chair, Nishu Sharma, can you please come on stage to disclose the result, to announce the result?
Before that, I think we'd like to acknowledge and present the certificates for role players as well. So I think we could hand over to the chief judge and they could present the same.
Okay.
Yes.
So
Zoom Master, can you please spotlight chief judge? Alternatively, once Toastmaster Tanaya and then Toastmaster Gopal. And I would present the role player certificates. Just give me a moment.
Toastmaster Ishita and Khadir Ram. So can we display the certificates for the role players?
I'm doing the same. Just give me a moment.
Yeah, sure. So by the time Nishita is displaying the screen, let me thank you everyone who has participated in the club contest. It was really a fabulous contest and really it was seamless. And it was an enticing meeting hosted by contestant Nishu Sharma and Toastmaster Ishita Sharma. So thank you everyone. You all did a great job. So the first certificate, it goes to our contest chair for international speech and speech contest. This is Toastmaster Nishu Sharma. So congratulations, Toastmaster Nishu Sharma. You did a splendid job.
Thank you, Toastmaster Tanaya. Thank you.
So the next certificate is for the contest chair for table topic contest, Toastmaster Ishita Sharma. Thank you, Toastmaster Ishita. You are again wonderful and your energy was infectious throughout the meeting. So you did a wonderful job.
Thank you so much.
So the timer, Toastmaster Mayur, without whom we all would have been disqualified, all the speakers, all the contestants. So thank you so much, timer Mayur. You did a great job.
Thank you so much.
Timer Toastmaster Anupam. Thank you so much for playing the timer role. You again did a wonderful job.
Thank you, Toastmaster Tanaya.
The telecounter, Toastmaster Binod Sharma. So congratulations and thank you, Toastmaster Binod, for playing the role of telecounter.
Thank you very much.
I would like to hand over the control of the virtual stage to Chief Justice Gopal. He can also present the certificate to other participants. Chief Justice Gopal.
Yeah, I am there.
Yeah.
Am I spotlighted? Okay, cool, fine. So the next certificate is for telecounter, Toastmaster Manpreet. Again, very clear with her role. Congratulations, Toastmaster Manpreet.
Thank you, Gopal.
The certificate of appreciation for Toastmaster Venkatesh for playing the role of Chief Sergeant at Arms. The rules announced were very clear, very attentive throughout the meeting. Thank you very much, Toastmaster Venkatesh.
Thank you, Chief Judge Gopal.
The next certificate is for Sergeant at Arms, Sonu Kumar. Toastmaster Sonu Kumar, again, heartiest congratulations to you for participating in the meeting.
Thank you so much.
Again, the Zoom master rule, very hectic role according to me. Every bit and fine of the meeting has to be controlled by the Zoom master. Congratulations, Toastmaster Pavan, for playing the role so flawlessly. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Chief Judge. Thank you, organizer.
Yeah, it is all, I guess, right?
Yes, I would like the Zoom master to spotlight Toastmaster Jay, as he is the president, and then we could felicitate the chief judges.
So,
Hello.
yes, Toastmaster Jay. Okay, great.
So before I have to present this certificate, let me share a small points about this contest. Yesterday we had one contest. In that one, I and the whole team put lot of efforts. It was almost exhausting because there was n numbers of players, but still we did that. And today players are again doing the same hectic Hercules job once again. That's the spirit. That's the spirit only Toastmasters can have. And with this, let us welcome Toastmaster Tanaya Sahu as a chief judge to accept the role. Congratulations and thank you.
thank you. Thank you so much, Toastmaster Jay, for giving me the opportunity. Yeah. Thank you.
The next is, who's the next? Is there anyone who don't know? Everyone knows this person because he is a key player. He was a key player from last, I think, 1 month. We are working with them. He's organized this contest, thoroughly introduced all the role players, all the roles, and even the small point if someone is raising. Can we call all the participants once again in the room so that we can choose the topic once again? And he accepted it. That's the acceptance only Toastmasters are having. They're always ready to have any type of feedback. Thank you very much to Toastmaster Gopal Mantri as a chief judge. Thank you.
Thank you,
And back
Toastmaster
to you.
Jay. Thank you. Pleasure to have, pleasure to get in the meeting to contest. Thank you.
Pleasure is all ours from TMCP Northwest. Thank you. And back to you.
Now we'll be presenting the winner certificate. Just give me a moment.
Good evening, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Now it's time to declare our results. I would like to present the contest results for the International Speech Contest of Toastmaster Club of Pune Northwest. Before the results are announced, I would like to say congratulations to all the contestants for competing. And the main thing is I congratulate that there is no time disqualification. Very good job done by all the participants. Thank you. Now it's time to announce the results. The third place goes to Toastmaster Jai Singh.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
The second place winner is Toastmaster Hina Sharma. Congratulations, Toastmaster Hina.
Thank you.
Hina Sharma. This is a certificate. Congratulations, Hina, for your second place in International Speech Contest. Thank you. Now it's time to announce the first place winner in ISC contest in Toastmaster Club of Pune Northwest. The first place winner is Hemant Arora. Toastmaster, please spotlight. Congratulations, Toastmaster Hemant.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you so
Your
much.
first place in ISC contest.
Thank you.
We
I'm not
have-
used to it anymore. Thank you.
And congratulations for your area contest, which will be held on 10th of April. Many, many congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Over to you, Sergeant at Arms.
Thank you, contest chair Nishu Sharma. Now I invite contest chair Ishita Sharma to present the certificate for table topic contest.
Thank you, Toastmaster Venkatesh. Here I go.
Before that contest chair, can we unmute ourselves and clap so that the participants and the winner can listen to the clap? Because no strictness is useful right now, right?
Can you repeat? I didn't get it.
Thank you.
Can we unmute ourselves and clap for the winners so that they can listen to the words of the clap? Because yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Congratulations, all the winners.
Thank you.
Great. Moving forward to the table topic contest. Winners. Okay. First, before this is for the ISC. Before I take the results for the table topics, that's why the screen is on. So I would like to present the contest results for table topic contest. And before the results are announced, I would like to congratulate all the 8 contestants for participating. And I would also like to declare that there were no time disqualifications. So well done, all the contestants. So here we go. The third place winner for table topic contest in Toastmasters Club of Pune Northwest is Hemant Arora.
Thank you.
Okay. The second place winner in table topics contest is Toastmaster Swati.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Toastmaster Swati.
Thank you.
And the winner of the table topic contest at club level for Toastmasters Club of Pune Northwest is Toastmaster Hina Sharma. Many, many congratulations, Toastmaster Hina.
Thank you.
And like always, you proved it again. So best, and may you achieve victory in the area level contest as mentioned earlier, which is on the 10th of April, 2021. Thank you so much to all the contestants for participating, and I will hence stop sharing. Thank you, Chief Sergeant at Arms.
Thank you, contest chair Ishita Sharma. With this, I would like to thank each and everyone who has helped to make this contest successful. And with this, we are closing the contest. Do join our upcoming chapter meeting on next Sunday. And I request all the guests who have joined first time to Toastmasters meeting or wanted to join the Toastmasters, please be in the meeting room. We will have some briefing session for you. And before that, one last request to all the participants and all the attendants. We will have a group photographs. So please turn on your video. I request each and everyone to turn on your video. Still few more videos are coming on.
निशु और इशिता एकदम अच्छे लग रहे हैं.
Yeah, I was about to say the same thing. The daughter and the mother combo. एक के साथ एक free. चलो
Smile, please. Smile.
Master Hemant and Toastmaster Hina. And Hemant, I am ready to have dinner with you now.
Absolutely.
Congratulations, Hemant sir. Heartiest congratulations.
मैं घर पे ही आ जाऊंगा और राजमा चावल खिला देना.
वैसे भी डिनर आज शर्मा के साथ में है वैसे भी आज.
आपकी आवाज आ रही थी, आप दिख नहीं रहे थे.
हो गया फोटो शोटो हो गया.
Yes, yes sir.
Meeting 10 minutes or meeting because it is not possible for us to meet again. So we'll spare some, invest some 5-10 minutes for discussions if you want.
सर आप बोल रहे हो तो ना बोल सकते हैं क्या?
हाँ जी.
Always ready, sir. Always.
Please switch us to breakout room.
And all you TCH also, if you want to join us, please, we are welcome to for the discussion part. Tanaya and Gopal all will be glad to have you in the meeting. No issues.
I think it's like a fellowship meeting.
And as a VP Education, I would like to thank Tanaya and Gopal. In just one request, they accepted the CJ role and they helped us a lot. So thank you so much, Tanaya and Gopal. Without you all, I think this contest would not have been such flawless contest. Thank you so much.
So in front of CJ, I have one point. Tanaya, be there. As CJ, I would raise one point. I want to ask Hina. She said, puppy, he. How she was sure that puppy was he or she?
सर आप बड़े हो जाओ अभी आप. बड़े हो जाओ सर आप अभी. सर बड़े हो जाओ अभी. अरे हम ये क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं सब लोग ऑफेंड हो जाते हैं. आपने पूछा है सब लोग हंस रहे हैं.
विनोद सर जब आपने क्वेश्चन पूछने लगे थे मैंने कहा बहुत सीरियस पूछ रहे हैं सर. तो
Yes, absolutely.
मतलब आप शर्मा भी समझ नहीं पा रहे एक दूसरे को तो हम लोग तो फिर छोड़ दो.
Anyhow, thank you very much to everyone having this meeting. Yeah.
Thank you so much everyone, and thank you for providing us the opportunity. It was a great pleasure to see all of you. All were fantastic in the contest. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Tanaya.
Thank you, Swati.
Thank you, Gopal and Tanaya. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Gopal.
Again, you are also good help. You are also helping in our club contest also. So it's fine. It's very good working with you.
That we have to discuss background.
ये imply हो गया क्या मतलब? It's already implied.
We are helping each other. Club.
Gopal, I must say Gopal is Mr. Cool. I mean, no tension, no stress. He always runs things very efficiently.
Thank
Tanaya,
you.
you too, but this is a special comment for Gopal.
क्या बात है भाई गोपाल.
In fact, TCSE was also brilliant. Huh? Fantastic.
Correct, sir, correct. Last time जो हुआ amazing था.
Yeah.
Thank you.
We were never expected this much.
And speeches were also fantastic yesterday.
Fantastic, Tanya and
Yesterday,
Gopal.
kya?
Today, definitely one thing I would like to tell that the content of every speech was very amazing. Means I liked on what topic you guys choose to speak and raise voices. So that's really great of you guys.
Thank you, Gopal.
The recording